So then the bigger question is, Ryan, is how are you, like, so with those keywords, I literally just got a list of 500,000 people.
Wow.
Right now, are you going to be able to call or email or direct, if you want to direct mail and you want to supply that number of volume? I know a couple people and I'll get a really good commission from it. So I'm kidding. But you know, I would say target them on Facebook and target them on LinkedIn, right? And the reason I say that is if you look at most people that are selling a business, they're going to be, you know, 40 to 70, and that's an active meta demographic, right? If they're selling a business, they're probably going to be at least somewhat active on LinkedIn. You can target them on LinkedIn as well.
Okay.
And
so you said 40% are going to be
one thing, the SHA256 would work really well in this instance, Ryan, because if you narrow it down even further, basically you can end up making a really narrow audience of that 500,000 of, you know, trying to make lookalike. So if you're paying $2, $3, $4 a day on ads, just letting it sit and incubate, that works really well. So it doesn't matter the dollar amount you're spending because you'll see the metrics. You know what I mean? 8% on $4 and 8% on $16, same 8% conversion. So you get a pretty good idea of how to do it.